Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. Today we have a lecture of ICT sorry, A to Z beginner series. Uh, so I am going to show you today ICT 22 module example on gold. So let's get started. But if you are new to our channel, make sure you watch the previous series lecture. I already make a playlist on ICT A to Z beginner series. And if you didn't join our Telegram, make sure you join that one. And if you didn't check out any good broker, I also put the link in the description. And if you want to watch this series in a Hindi Urdu, I already put the link of my Hindi Urdu channel in the description of this video. So let's get started. So in the gold, you see we have this Asian session, we have this London, and we have a New York session. 12 a.m. markout of New York, always your time frame in a New York session, and then mark the opening of the 12 a.m. to throw off the day or till 8:30. Okay, then mark out the 8:30. So the thing is, the gold price just touched the all-time high of the gold, and then take a liquidity of a previous session of London and Asian. After that, market structure shift, displacement, we have a fair value gap. In the lower time frame, you will see entry, target, relative equal, and imbalance. Okay, so I already told you in a liquidity that price seek for two things: an imbalance or a equal highs liquidity. Okay, so once price took out the liquidity, then it will seek to the internal liquidity. The internal liquidity will be an imbalance. Okay, and the external liquidity will be your highs, the swing points. Okay, here are, you can see that. Okay, all you have to do a practice, that's all. Here, as you've seen, price open, we mark out the throughout the day 8:30. You will see price didn't give us any power of 3 clearly. Open, just touch that area, that line, and then go to the upside. In our New York session, market structure shift with displacement, we have fair value gap here, price touch and give us the target. Where is the target? Up previous day high. Okay, after that a news driver at 10 a.m. price go, took out the liquidity exactly. Okay, you see the liquidity build, and then it's go again, and you see here stick out the liquidity of that area. Okay, sometime you see this type of scenario, so only you have to stick with your plan. Okay, that's all. If you go further back, we mark out. Okay, we mark out of the day, price go, touch that area, go upside. In the London, we see we also have this fair value gap. If you go to the lower time frame, you will also get this trade. Okay, after that we have a market structure shift. Okay, and we have a fair value gap, but the volatility did not resist and we got SL. Okay, let me move this one. We are bullish. Okay, like here. Okay, we market structure shift, but the price come on our unkill zone hours, so we wait for 8:30. When we price come 8:30, we have here a minor fair value gap, price tap, but some broker took your liquidity because of a spread. Here we have a minor fair value gap. Okay, where the price come and give us a reaction on that, but didn't go upside, but it go to the consequent approachment of this order block for a target, and we are already on the all-time high. If you go to the weekly time frame, that was almost all-time high of that of your day. Okay, that's price broke, and now it's going to the this target area where I put on my Telegram channel that it can be reached to that one. I measured this one by the Fibonacci. Okay, tool like this. Okay, and you can also measure this thing if you have this setting. Okay, 2.5 to -2 standard deviation to -2.5 standard deviation. Okay, So all you have to do is a practice. That's all thing you need to understand this market, okay, in your time frame period. Okay, you don't have to watch every day. You have this specific time frame. Your entry point should be between 8:30 to 11:30. That's all you have to understand this point. Okay, if you didn't find anything that I'm telling you here of ICT, you don't have to take a trade. That's all. You should not force yourself to take a trade. Should not force yourself to push this buy or sell button. Okay, and make sure you join our subscribe and telegram channel. Until next time, be safe.